Hi there, welcome to my channel. Ready to upgrade your YouTube videos without breaking the bank? Clear, crisp audio can make or break your content, especially when you're just starting out. But don't worry, you don't need to spend a fortune to sound professional. In today's video, we're counting down the top 6 budget microphones for YouTube beginners. Whether you're filming tutorials, gaming streams, or daily vlogs, these affordable mics deliver impressive sound quality and user-friendly features. From USB plug-and-play to compact lavaliers, we've got the best options to help you stand out. Stay tuned till the end to find the perfect microphone that fits your style and budget. Number 1. HyperX SoloCast USB Condenser Gaming Microphone. The HyperX SoloCast is a perfect starter microphone for YouTube beginners and gamers looking to upgrade their audio without hassle. This USB condenser mic is compatible with PC, PS4, PS5, and Mac, making it versatile for streaming, podcasts, Twitch, Discord, and YouTube videos. Its tap-to-mute sensor lets you quickly mute your mic with a simple tap, offering convenience during live sessions. The cardioid polar pattern focuses on capturing your voice clearly while minimizing background noise, ensuring professional-sounding audio every time. Compact and plug-and-play, the SoloCast requires no complicated setup. Just connect and start recording. Its sleek black design fits any setup, making it a budget-friendly and reliable choice for new creators. Number 2. MAYBESTA 2-in-1 Wireless Mini Microphone. The MAYBESTA 2-in-1 wireless mini microphone is a game-changer for YouTube beginners who want crystal-clear audio on the go. Designed for iPhone, iPad, and Android devices, this Bluetooth lavalier lapel mic offers wireless freedom and easy clip-on convenience, making it perfect for vlogging, podcasts, TikTok videos, and more. The versatile 2-in-1 design lets you switch between wired USB-C and wireless modes effortlessly, ensuring compatibility with various devices. Lightweight and portable, it captures high-quality sound that enhances your video production without the bulk of traditional mics. With this microphone, beginners can record professional-level audio anywhere, whether you're indoors or out, all without breaking the bank. Number 3. DJI Mic Mini Wireless Lavalier Microphone. The DJI Mic Mini offers professional-grade wireless audio in a compact, ultralight design, perfect for YouTube beginners and vloggers. Compatible with iPhone, camera, and Android devices, this lavalier mic provides crystal-clear, detail-rich sound with advanced noise canceling to block out unwanted background noise. Its impressive 400-meter transmission range ensures freedom to move without losing signal, making it ideal for outdoor shoots and streaming. The built-in automatic limiting protects your audio from distortion during loud moments. Easy to set up and use, the DJI Mic Mini delivers reliable, high-quality sound that enhances your videos, whether you're filming tutorials, interviews, or live streams. A perfect budget-friendly wireless mic for creators looking to step up their audio game. Number 4. FIFINE Studio Condenser USB Microphone. The FIFINE T669 USB Studio Microphone Kit is an all-in-one solution for YouTube beginners who want to sound like pros from day one. Designed for PC and laptop use, this condenser mic delivers clear, studio-quality audio, perfect for voiceovers, streaming, podcasts, and gaming. The cardioid pickup pattern focuses on your voice while reducing background noise, ideal for home recording setups. It comes fully equipped with an adjustable boom arm, shock mount, pop filter, and desk clamp, making it a complete kit right out of the box. Just plug and play, no drivers needed. If you're looking for a professional feel on a beginner's budget, the FIFINE T669 gives you unbeatable value and quality. Number 5. PQRQP 3-in-1 Microphone. The PQRQP 3-in-1 wireless lavalier microphone is a budget-friendly mic built for creators who value freedom and flexibility. Whether you're using an iPhone, Android, or DSLR camera, this mic has you covered with universal compatibility. It features a strong 328-foot transmission range, giving you full mobility while filming interviews, vlogs, YouTube content, or TikTok. With an 18-hour battery life, it's perfect for long shoots without frequent recharges. The compact clip-on design keeps your setup lightweight and hassle-free, while the built-in noise reduction ensures your voice stays clear even in noisy environments. If you're a beginner looking for a powerful, portable, and wireless audio solution on a budget, the PQRQP mic is a smart and simple choice. Number 6. FIFINE USB XLR Dynamic Microphone. The FIFINE Ampli-Game AM8 is a bold and versatile dynamic microphone designed for YouTube creators, streamers, and podcasters. With dual USB and XLR connectivity, it's ideal for beginners who want plug-and-play convenience now and pro-level upgrades later. The built-in mute button, headphone jack for zero-latency monitoring, and eye-catching RGB lighting add both function and flair to your setup. The dynamic capsule captures rich, focused vocals while minimizing background noise, perfect for gaming, singing, commentary, or podcasting. The included desktop stand makes setup effortless, and the rugged build ensures long-term durability. If you're just starting out but want a mic that grows with your content, the AM8 is the perfect mix of value and future-proof performance.